Back, so we're going to take the jerky out. So you see, it has been about, I had it set for 2 hours before, so it is approximately an hour and 45 minutes or so. So we're going to take the jerky out. It is absolutely done, and it is, oh my God, you got to smell this. It smells unbelievable, okay? So this is the sweet onion fragmented jerky, guys. Take a look at this. So a lot of people ask, well, how do you tell if it's done? So, you know, it's just like any meat. You gotta look inside, make sure everything is cooked. And, you know, with whole muscle jerky, you can take it and smell, I'm sorry, and shred it and see the fibers. Look like a spider web inside. Now, with fragmented jerky, it's a little bit different. So these are fantastic beef sticks. This is, again, the sweet and spicy onion. Let me take the honey teriyaki out. Alright. Honey teriyaki. Oh my God, it smells absolutely fantastic. Let me shut the dehydrator off here, guys. Look at this. This is nice stuff here. Absolutely delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna roll that off too. Okay, so it doesn't absolutely delicious. Roll it right off, just like that. This is completely done. See this? Honey teriyaki fragmented jerky, guys. From the Fat Yankee here, guys. Listen, I'm on a fragmented beef jerky kick. So we'll see you in the next video.